Pull the plug of front bumper light and steering engine. Pull the plug of motor. Take out the ESC. Pull out the servo arm component. Remove the 3 screws of the steering engine fixing seat. Take out the steering engine holding bracket and steering engine. Remove the screw on the steering engine arm. Pull the plug of steering engine. Take out the new steering engine. Insert the plug of steering engine. Turn on the ESC and transmitter to match the frequency. Adjust the steering fine-tuning knob on the remote controller to the middle position. Install the steering engine arm, parts vertically on the steering engine. Tighten the clutch screw of the steering engine arm. Install the steering engine on the car. Install the steering engine holding bracket. Install the steering engine fixing seats and locking the screws. Put the steering engine wires in place. Installing the ESC. Plug in the motor plug. Insert the plug of steering engine. Install the steering engine arm components. Insert the plug of headlight.